Hi, this is Akash Shrivastava and very welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I don't know what I'm going to create, just creating something, just enjoying watercolor and let's see what the paper is waiting for today. What paintings will come today. Watercolor is one of those mediums which brings you to a complete peace. You feel happy after doing it. It relieves all the stress which we had throughout the day. In this medium, you have to decide very fast that what I'm going to do next, because once it dries, then we have to go to the second layer. Like I'm now trying to draw something like a boat. Let's see what happens. Crimson is one of my favorite colors in watercolor, and once it gets mixed with a little cobalt blue, it becomes a very good combination. I had put this combination in several of my paintings. You can try this combination in your paintings. There are several other combinations also which I like the most, like emerald green with cobalt blue is very nice, lemon yellow with sap green, etc. Now I am putting the second layer on the boat. Second layer gives more attraction. If you are a beginner and you also want to learn watercolor painting, then you can learn it easily. It requires some patience, and in few months only you can draw very nice. There are many examples, like in lockdown, many of my friends started doing painting and sketches in lockdown, and within a year they have become like an expert. What they did was nothing different. They just practiced it regularly. That's it. You don't have to break any stone or mountain. Just have to practice and enjoy. One day, a moment will come when you see your previous paintings and see your present paintings, you will be surprised. Was that me who made this painting? This will happen, and you try. You will feel very amazing. When we practice something really in right direction, it really does some miracles which you couldn't even imagine. You can be in any field of study or art, or sports. If you do it in the right direction, if you practice and dedicate yourself, you will get amazing rewards which you will not expect, or which are beyond your expectations. Now my painting is getting some shape. It has got a nice background of mountains, a river, and the boat is being ready. At starting, I had no idea what I am going to create today, but finally, I've got a good painting. You can tell in comment whether it is means how much you like this painting. The cloth part in the boat I have done with light color when the previous layer has dried. It gives a translucent effect which looks very cool.